Where are we going?
Going big door.
You want to take your cars to the beach?
Yeah.
Those are the ones that are beach cars?
Yeah, this one and this one.
Okay. Oh my goodness, that's a big one. Oh, thanks. I have no hands. Is it dirty? Yeah, oh no. What are you gonna do? You gonna get it cleaned up in the water? Getting ready to go fishing. Oh, you found a crab shell? You're finding all kinds of shells. That's amazing. Bye. Bring home dinner. It's Christmas Eve and those girls act like they want to go swimming in the water. They're gonna be soaked by the time we leave. I swear they're penguins. It's pretty unbelievable, the weather today. The wind, there's hardly any wind, which is totally unusual. Crabs? Yes, lots of crabs died here and the birds like to eat them. Anyways, the weather is incredible. There's hardly any wind. Oh, and I wanted to mention that Autumn is not with us, and that is because she is spending Christmas break with Grandma and Grandpa. She likes to, whenever she has a break from school, she likes to go stay with Grandma and Grandpa for a week or two to get some quiet and some alone time, which I totally understand. Is the water coming?
Yeah.
Is it gonna get you?
He's saying bubble tea. Wow. It's okay. Sorry.
Oh no, water's coming. And the boots come off. I knew it was going to happen. What's the point of having boots when they're just filled with water? You might as well just go barefoot. You guys should have just brought your swimsuits.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's going to get me. Water, get me. Did you jump on the water? Ready, jump. Help you with what? Your feet are wet? Yeah, well, it's not surprising. You ready to go home? Oh, okay. That's what he just said. I go home. He's ready to go home. He'll just go by himself, I guess.
But this one, I think it's the biggest.
It is. Maybe this is the daddy one.
Wait, maybe. I think that's the mommy and that's
Those
the
are
daddy.
incredible.
And these are a bunch of babies and that's the teenagers.
Wow.
These are all the small ones are babies.
Daddy, Mommy, Nana Kathy, Autumn, Talia, Charity, Renee, Levi, and Poe. You gonna set them free? It's like releasing doves or something. We really couldn't have asked for a better day. It is so gorgeous. The sun feels so good. Grabbing some lunch. Levi found a spyglass. What do you see, Levi? You see Renee? You want to take a bath after getting home from the beach? What did you like at the beach? What was the best thing? Cars? Oh, you like taking your cars on the beach? Was that fun?
Yeah.
What else did you do at the beach?
Bath.
You ready to take a bath?
We're gonna have to ration.
Yeah. Is it good? Do you like that rice pudding? Yeah, he's chowing down. Lost one of his monster trucks at the beach today. So this is perfect. That looks awesome. Is it stickers? Awesome. I wonder why they got you a Barnes & Noble gift card. What do they sell at Barnes & Noble? Books! About 8:15 on Christmas morning, and chores are being feverishly done because no presents until they finish their chores. Bacon wrap dates are going. Got a double layer here in this little oven, still able to do a fair amount. Gravy is cooking.
Our mugs?
Of course.
One's there. They got strawberries.
Autumn is home for Christmas! What did you make?
I made bacon wrap mac and cheese.
Bacon wrap mac and cheese! You want to get a berry? You may get one. Just pick one. That's the smoked prime rib. I think Poe wants some.
I don't even go heavy anymore. I'm like,
Take some and pass it on.
To the left.
Pass to the left.
Yeah, there it comes. What's your favorite part? The dates? Bacon wrap dates? Mm-hmm, good choice.
My favorite part.
Oh, the fruit salad. What's your favorite part?
I was looking at the dogs.
The pineapple?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, Renee. Do you have all of your new accessories on? Your purse and your water bottle, your fluffy jacket, and your awesome hat. You look so cool. Like a little mouse, yeah. Looks like you're ready for anything.